Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Ligue 1 on mobile. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our Play Store. So just open your Play Store or App Store right here. And then after that, just click on the search bar right here and then search for DAZN and then click on enter. After that, make sure that you install it. And then once you've installed this app, just click on open right here. And then what we're going to do is to, of course, log in into their account. So if you already have an account, just click on login. However, if you don't have an account yet, just click on get started. And then you can either continue with your email, Google, Facebook, Apple, and FIFA ID. We're going to continue with Google. After that, click on agree and share. And then after that, what we're going to do is to click on allow and then click on accept. And then after that, what we're going to do is to just go into the search bar and then search for Liga 1. After that, click on enter. Now, as you can see right here, we have Liga 1. So you just have to look for the matches that you want to use. Now, let's say, for example, that we want to watch this. So we're going to click on it. And then after that, just click the match that you want to start. So just click on the match that you want. And then click on start watching. And then all you have to do is to wait for it to load. And then once you do that, you are now good to go. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.